We're gonna put it on that. You feel the vibe is contagious, that kind of high. All right, so it's two things that come to mind when I think about Philadelphia. A, Meat Millie. B, Philly Cheesesteak. What we're gonna do today is take you on up to PA and we're gonna turn this kitchen into American Deli, baby. All right, so Philly cheesesteaks is one of the easiest things that you can actually cook. I might as well be showing you how to cook eggs, but some of y'all think y'all can't cook. I'm about to show you different now. Only thing you need is a little bit of shaved steak. So what we're gonna go ahead and do real quick is season this shaved steak. You can get this anywhere Kroger sells it, and it's just chopped up steak. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. I like to use adobo. Work your wrist like that. Like that, like that. A little bit of pepper. And boom, that's it for the seasoning. All right, we're gonna chop up. I got a red bell pepper here. They ain't had a green one at the grocery store, so we gonna go red today. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna chop up a little bit of onion. I got a white one, you can use whatever color you want. That's actually gonna be too much onion for me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this in half, and I'm gonna just use this part right there. All right, now what we're gonna do is put our stove on nearly hot. We're gonna put it on that. You feel the vibe is contagious, that kind of hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to my pan, just a tad bit, cause beef produces its own oil. We don't want it to be splashing all over the place. All right, first thing we're gonna add is our meat. Now this meat is gonna cook pretty fast, so we're gonna add our peppers and onions very shortly. We just wanna brown the meat. I'm gonna go ahead and add these peppers and onions. Then just mix that all up together. All right, we almost done. Next thing we gotta do is put our bun in the oven. So I got the bun in the oven. This is almost done cooking. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fire all the way down and get it ready for the bun, baby. All right, what I'm gonna do now is just put my cheese right on top of it. This provolone cheese, you can use mozzarella. I know somebody from Philly gonna be like, oh, that John ain't no real. It ain't no real Philly if it ain't got mozzarella. We using provolone today, baby. Yeah, it is. It's American Deli style. You feel me? You feel me? I'm going ahead and turn off the fire. You see how that's melting right on it? The fire's off. And we finna plate this thing up. Just now realizing that I ran out of mayonnaise, so we ain't gonna put no mayonnaise on it. I'm just gonna use the grease from the meat to juice it up. Just gonna add that right on into the bread. Look how cheesy that is. Don't do like me and forget the mayonnaise. That was horrible. I don't know what I got going on in this kitchen. We're gonna add some Parmesan sweet potato fries for the presentation. You feel me? All right, folks, there we have it. Time to try it out. We bought PA down to the A, baby. There it is. That's it. Don't forget the mayonnaise like I did. That's it. Homemade Philly cheesesteak, baby. We out.